What would you do if the power went out and didn't come back for hours and hours, or even days? Well, your food spoils, your heat shuts off, or your air conditioning. Your phones will die eventually. In a crisis, your home becomes absolutely powerless. Literally. A home backup generator isn't a luxury, it's your safety net. Every home needs one before the next outage hits, and it will. We had 2 outages this month alone, and that's why I own and recommend to my friends and family Jackery portable solar generators. Small yet mighty, the lightest, smallest Life P04 2 kilowatt backup UPS generator with lithium-ion phosphorus oxygen batteries, which offer absolutely great safety, low risk of overheating or catching fire, so you can enjoy long life of 5 to 10 years or more, stable energy in various temperatures, and the batteries inside are non-toxic. Since 2012, a former Apple engineer launched Jackery with portable, eco-friendly power solutions that boast over 1,500 patents and more than 100 international awards, including Time's Best Inventions. This Solar Generator 2000 V2 offers a smarter, greener home backup solution with built-in UPS technology and plug-and-play convenience. It replaces those noisy fuel generators and expensive whole home systems, and no electrician is needed at all. And if the power goes out, you can keep on working. And the Jackery is super quiet. I now have my microphone right next to the Jackery. Listen. Awesome. Really quiet. And outdoor enthusiasts like me absolutely love the Jackery for its innovative, lightweight, and durable power that you can use and take anywhere, anytime. I like to use it on my boat to recharge the batteries after I've been out fishing and trolling. And I can run all my electronics the next time out with confidence when I'm in the great outdoors. And there's a great solar panel too for recharging. The Jackery delivers essential power for your daily survival that'll help keep your food fresh in a power outage. It'll help you have lights on and your devices charged and connected. It's the most cost-effective generator on the market today. It's compact, portable, and solar ready. Jackery Solar Charging frees you from the power grid with reliable, clean energy. You can even pair 2 Jackeries, put them side by side, and you'll have 4 kilowatts of coverage, giving you backup for your backup. When people ask why buy Jackery, I tell them it's the 2,042 watt capacity and 2,200 watt output, giving you power for over 1 day of emergency needs. It's the smallest, lightest home backup power generator. 40% smaller, 34% lighter, at just 37 pounds. And you can charge it in 1.7 hours on the emergency supercharge. Jackery's exclusive CTB technology, or cell to body, same as EV technology, means high efficiency for its size and safety through and through its compact design. It's quiet, not like noisy generators. And the Charge Shield 2.0 gives you advanced protection and efficient charging. It's a great UPS too, providing power backup for computers, networking devices, refrigerators, lighting, microwaves, and so much more. And the smart app control is for easy management and monitoring. And you can enjoy a 3-year warranty and get an additional 2-year extended warranty. It's available too if you choose. Remember, it's small yet mighty, the lightest, smallest life PO4 2 kilowatt backup UPS generator. Oh, and if you're interested, you could even join the Jackery affiliate program. So get yours today and get the peace of mind for you and your family tomorrow.